everyone, I'm Iras Leutermann van Langeweide, but you probably know me better as Iraville. I'm an illustrator based in Munich, Germany. As you can see from my artwork, I have a passion for watercolor, nature, autumn and all the cozy things. I'm super excited to be working with 3D Total to share my second book with you, Hideaways, more art from Iraville. This book is a perfect follow-up to my first title, Cozy Days, and showcases all of my favorite spots to escape from reality, including dreamy countrysides, remote towns and all sorts of nature. A hidden world populated by cute animals, strange creatures and shy people. In the galleries you will find a lot of artworks I painted over the last years since the release of Cozy Days. Among them, some of my personal favorites and brand new never-before-seen artworks I created specially for this book. I'm really excited to share it with you. Besides that, the book will contain some rare illustrations, sketches and experiments. You will also find very detailed step-by-step tutorials that will show you my way to paint with watercolors, how you can approach negative painting and how to create your own ink from pigments. I will also share helpful insights about everything from watercolor mixing methods to color theory, to my use of Japanese aesthetics and thoughts of finding your own style. Throughout this campaign you have the opportunity to buy extra exclusive gifts. These include originals that I sell very rarely, beautiful giclée prints, bespoke animal pins, and a cute set of greeting cards. You will also be able to purchase a stunning high-quality tote bag, perfect for carrying art supplies to your own hideaways. Bonus stretch goal rewards will become available to all backers. Each one gets unlocked when certain targets are reached during the campaign. Thank you all so much for watching, for sharing this news and for helping me bring the second book out into the world. It means a lot to me. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen!